Today's unboxing is the original Detangler from Wetbrush. So this one's in black, obviously. It comes in a couple other colours. 45% less breakage, 55% less effort, 100% happier. IntelliFlex bristles. Works wonders for all hair types. So it's sort of plastic, about $8, something like that. Nice packaging. I mean, it's not an expensive product. It's a well-known product, well-known brand. So we've got on the back, Detangle. Let's see whether we can get it open. And then take the brush out itself. So this is what it looks like. So there's no squish like some of the brushes squish. Little logo there. You can see it sort of heat printed. Sort of printed logo there as well. So you've got this kind of heat embossed, I guess, logo there, and printed there. Gloss black. A few marks from the packaging. I mean, it's a cheaper product, but very well known and very well revered as well. Nice glossy bristles, pretty soft. There's not much to it really. That is the Wetbrush Detangler.